This morning, we want to take you inside a local tech company that believes that it can be the next Facebook. Here it is right here. We created an account so that we could get exclusive access.
ABC Action News reporter Sean Daly is in St. Petersburg, where the new social media site says it gives users more control and more privacy.
RJ Garbowitz is working some seriously long hours these days.
About 20 hours a day right now.
That's what happens when you're trying to build the next Facebook.
I have 5 gazillion social media options out there, right? Why do I want to be in Webtalk?
It allows you to manage all of your unique relationships based on where they belong in your real life, where they should be in the virtual.
RJ says Webtalk, which is free, allows users more control about who sees what. Want to be buddies with your boss but don't want them to know everything you're up to?
Set your permissions before you even connect with them. Give them access to your professional information, give them access to your personal information, or both.
Webtalk looks familiar, but it also merges elements of LinkedIn, Instagram, and online marketplaces.
Took the best of everything.
The best of
Best
everything.
of Instagram, best of Facebook, best of Twitter.
Everything, yeah.
Webtalk is still invite only and is basically paying early users who help build their audience. RJ says so far, so good. Webtalk, he says, already has almost 500,000 users worldwide.
5 years from now, where do you see Webtalk being? The #1 social media site?
Oh, God, yeah. Yeah, for sure.
In St. Petersburg, Sean Daly, ABC Action News.